Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a page template in Notion. So if you would like to create a page template in Notion, go to the project space where you would like to create this template, type /page and hit enter, and the new page will open, and you need now to design this page to be a page template. I already prepared some basic page elements, let's say, for this particular example. Let's call it meeting minutes template. And now the template is ready. Everything is ready in terms of the page template. You may find this template in that project space where you created it. What you can do next, you can use actually this template. So to use this template, you just need to go to this template, go to this three dot icon in the top right corner, click it, and use find and use duplicate. Now, whenever you create this duplicate, you can change whatever you want in it, like fill out all the elements, and yeah, that's how simple it is. You may also, when you use this template and created a separate page, you may move these separate pages to the place where you need them to be. For example, to meeting minutes folder. You see. I guess that's it. Thanks for watching.